So first thing first, we have Black Ghost from Egypt. His country is Egypt. The ad account got restricted, literally no reason. It actually happens all the time because, okay, this is what I understand. I think Facebook is trying to legitimate, especially Facebook advertisers, what actually the whole world is trying to do, whether they're actually doing it openly or quietly or underground or using different tricks like Facebook is doing right now. I believe they are trying to validate every single profile, especially if you're a Facebook advertiser. They want to know you're a real person. That's why, in fact, for the past few years, they have been disabling anyone's Facebook ads account or whatnot just to get you to submit your ID, because by doing so, it validates your profile, because definitely they will be able to attach it, you know, and link it to a real ID. Now they know that you're a real person. So for the problem about this thing is, I think what Black Ghost is facing is the profile name was written in English, but the ID was written in Arabic. Okay, now, and then you say that you can't even change the method of confirmation, apply passport ID and all that. What you can do, there are a few things, yeah, Black Ghost, let me point you to the thing. Now, if you are not able to change the method, first thing you can do is, let's wait a few days, okay? Let's wait a few days, and then you come back again. The button to submit ID may become available again. So that's the first thing you can consider doing. Wait a bit, be patient. Sometimes we just need to like take a step back and cool down and look at this thing again and see how it works, right? Wait a few days, and then it might be open up again. Then you will be able to submit your ID, your like a passport. Now, what we learned from Black Ghost here is, if you're actually watching this and you have submitted your ID in different foreign language that Facebook may not be able to understand, I would say what you can consider doing here is you can actually try to at least use passport or your driving license, or try to use anything in English so that they can understand that, right? Now, that's the first method. You wait a few days, and then you try to come back and see whether the button will become available again, which you can then submit another document. Now, the second method is you try to get a way to chat with the Facebook representative. Now, for all of us who have a quite matured Facebook Business Manager and ads account, we have the ability to actually start a message conversation, like messenger conversation with some, you know, Facebook concierge service, which is something that they actually do in order to provide some, you know, at least customer service. Now, every time you talk to them, they will raise a ticket, which in turn they have to resolve the problem that you're having. So that's one way. Now, if you are not able to get that, then yeah, I think that we have to wait, because to be very frank, Facebook is not helping a lot of Facebook advertisers out there in terms of, you know, getting your account back. But nonetheless, that's what we learned from this one.